but somehow it just seemed wrong. Until I met you, was then, dear, I knew, to me you must belong. I could show the world how to smile, I could be glad all of the while. I could change the gray skies to blue if I had you. I could leave my old friends behind, leave all my pals, I wouldn't mind. I could start my life all anew if I had you. I could climb the snow-capped mountains, sail the mighty ocean wide. I could cross the burning desert if I had you by my side. I could be a king, dear, uncrowned, humble or poor, rich or renowned. There is nothing I couldn't do if I had you. My whole life would be just heaven to me, dear, if you learn to care, to know all the bliss of your loving kiss was waiting for me somewhere. I could show the world how to smile, I could be glad all of the while. I could change the gray skies to blue if I had you. I could leave my old friends behind, leave all my pals, I wouldn't mind. I could start my life all anew if I had you. I could climb the snow-capped mountains, sail the mighty ocean wide. I could cross the burning desert if I had you by my side. I could be a king, dear, uncrowned, humble or poor, rich or renowned. There is nothing